Alright Carl, this one's for you. Washing machine. So normally about the basket that full max, so any more than that then the washing machine will actually struggle. So presumably you won't have that much. Chuck those all in. Washing powder is this box here, kept on the windowsill. Just pop that there. This lid comes off, and the powder, we need 2 scoops. They just go down the middle here. Alright. Pop this back on. Just sits in, close that. So here are the controls. First thing is power, and then life cycles. Then press the adjust. It goes to use favorite, and then we just press start. So everything else is auto. Should be done in about half an hour or so. Only other thing to note is this is where the wastewater goes, so it's very important to keep this sink clear. Make sure there's nothing in it. We've had a couple of times where it's flooded as the washing machine empties. That's about it. So washing line is around the back there, or obviously if it's yucky you can hang it inside the house. We've got some clothes horses. That's it, mate.